Is engine break-in really necessary for a new car? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, you just bought a brand new car. Everything smells new, everything shines, and the first thing you want to do is floor it, right? I mean, who doesn't want to see what their new ride can do? But then someone tells you, hey, don't do that yet. You need to break in the engine first. And now you're wondering, is that really a thing anymore? Do modern engines even need a break-in period, or is that just outdated advice? Well, today we're going to dig deep. What engine break-in really means, whether it's still necessary, what happens if you skip it, and how to do it properly if it matters. Stick around. This one's worth hearing before you hit that red line. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share this video. What does engine break-in mean? Engine break-in is basically the process of letting all the new metal parts inside your engine, like pistons, rings, and cylinder walls, settle into each other properly during the first few hundred miles. When you get a new engine, those parts have microscopic imperfections. The first few hundred miles are when they wear down just enough to form a perfect seal and smooth contact surface. Think of it like wearing in a new pair of shoes. That initial period determines how comfortable they'll be long-term. Why it used to be super important? Engine tolerances weren't as precise as they are today. Engines were built with a bit more slop, so parts needed that first 500 to 1,000 miles of careful driving to seat properly. If you didn't break in your engine correctly back then, you could end up with poor compression, oil burning, or even premature engine wear. That's why older car manuals had specific instructions, like keep below 3,000 RPM, avoid full throttle, no towing, and change the oil after the first 1,000 miles. Those rules existed for a reason. Modern engines and technology. But today, things have changed a lot. Modern engines are built in ultra-clean, computer-controlled environments. The metal surfaces are microscopically honed before they ever leave the factory. Manufacturers even perform something called a hot test, where the engine is briefly run at the plant to check compression and oil pressure. So in a sense, your engine is partially broken in before you ever touch the key. That's why many automakers today don't require a formal break-in period. Still, most will give you a few simple guidelines, like avoiding redline or heavy towing for the first 1,000 miles, just to be safe. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share this video. The right way to break in your engine. Here's a quick guide. Avoid constant speeds. Don't use cruise control for long stretches. Vary your RPMs so the engine sees different loads. Keep it under moderate RPMs. Stay below about 3,500 to 4,000 RPM for the first 500 to 1,000 miles. Avoid full throttle acceleration. Save the hard launches and top speed runs for later. Don't lug the engine. That means don't drive at low RPM in a high gear. Keep the engine in its comfort zone. Follow those steps, and your engine will thank you later with smoother performance and longer life. So, there you have it. Engine break-in might not be as critical as it used to be, but it's still smart to do. Have you ever broken in a new car by the book, or did you just drive it like you stole it? Be honest. Drop your story in the comments below. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more car tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe and take care of that new engine.